Now, what's the second area? This is a big one, right? Your equipment. Same thing that I see. People spend all this time and energy looking at other areas, and then when it comes to their equipment, they just write a check and close their eyes. But realize that when you get bids from equipment vendors, oftentimes, depending on the price and depending on, I should say, the kind of equipment and where you're buying it from, but much of this can also be negotiated, which is why it's important to have a complete equipment list. And if you can go to a local fixture store and get proposals, the more likely that they know you're going to be a high-paying client, the more likely they're going to want to gain your business. So negotiate, all right? These are the two major areas. Now, obviously, there's other places that you're going to invest money and you should be aware of, but these are the big places that you can save money on your startup. So I hope this helps when it comes to thinking about where to put your attention and really be thoughtful about who you hire. Be thoughtful about your equipment list and who you invest that money with so that you can save money on your total startup. And like I said, just to reiterate, sometimes cheap is expensive. Don't go so cheap on your project that ultimately you're compromising the execution of your business. So it's always about finding that fine balance.